Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your August double shot kit. So the double shot comes out every month. It's the smaller of our two collection kits. So it has two brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with your kits, when you're a subscriber, you get access to two free recipe cards. So these are for double page layouts, and our design team creates them for you so that you can work right along with them. And they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll have a color photograph of the finished layout so that you can create exactly what they create. You also have access to this free exclusive cut files. These are designed exclusively for the Scrap Room by Cut to You, and this month is this I Like You a Latte, and it has the latte cup with the florals. Super cute. Use it together, use it separate. It'll go great with these collections. This month we're featuring Echo Park Fashion and Simple Stories Crafty Babe. So we're going to dig right in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get this month. So starting with the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of black cardstock and 1 sheet of Gold Rush. And on our cardstock, because I film so early, a lot of times because of the supply and demand, sometimes Rochelle has to switch these out, but they will always be the same color. The names just might be different, or the manufacturer might be different. So you will get black and gold cardstock. The pattern paper is this one. Live, Love, Scrap. It's a cute little floral. You can fussy cut those, have a lot of fun. The back is a multicolor heart on the mint. And then we have Making Memories, which is this great background paper. It already has the Polaroid camera and Polaroid photos, the little roller stamp, scissors, a washi tape. The back is an awesome stripe. And then we have the Elements 1 paper. So these are cut aparts. We have 3x4s, 4x4, 2x2s, and tags. So lots of options there that you can use. And the back is a small floral print in all of the different colors. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the page pieces. So these are designed, let me pull this apart so you can see everything. These are designed by Simple Stories so that you can create a double page layout with them, and they give you a sample. But of course you could use them any way that you like. So let me show you what you're going to get. A little Polaroid, a little journal spot, some florals, scissors, lots of little florals, love those, and some little word labels and that little roller stamp. So that is Crafty Babe from Simple Stories. Our next collection is Fashion from Echo Park. So this is a super cute collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of rosebud. So again, the names may vary, but the colors will be the same. You're going to get this paper here with all of the different perfumes. The back is a black cheetah print that's called Pretty Perfumes. We have a floral in all of the different colors, and then a green geometric design. That paper is called Fabulous Floral. Then we have the cut apart sheet here. So we have some borders, which is a lot of fun. Those are really cute. And then we have smaller, like that looks like a 4x6. Might be slightly different, 4x4, some tags, 3x4s, and then these little journal-like spots. That's super cute. And the back are these roses. So that is the Fashion Journaling cards. Oh, look at those B-sides. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a black plaid stripe and then a small scalloped rose border, tags, a beautiful dress, the credit cards, the shoes. So if you love shopping like I do, this is perfect to document some of those shopping days. So that is Fashion from Echo Park. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges like the Freaky Fast Friday. We have sketch challenges. So much going on and so much inspiration. So be sure to come over and join in on those. You can win some prizes. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.